A Cybertruck owner makes a creative modification to his Tesla Cybertruck, where a portable toilet has been installed in the backseat, complete with entertainment options like a screen for media, ambient LED lighting, and a biohazard ventilation system, reflecting a trend of vehicle customization for unique functionalities. The inclusion of a biohazard ventilation system references Tesla's bioweapon defense mode, a feature designed to filter air inside the vehicle, while intended for air quality. Humorously ties into the practical need for odor control in such a setup, highlighting both the innovative and humorous aspects of EV customization. The setup is described as a practical solution for long road trips, with a humorous twist. Life is like a road trip. You never know when you gotta go.